The voiceover was done with VoiceMaker text-to-speech software. Link is in the description. So I want this GIF as my Chrome new tab wallpaper. For that, right-click the GIF and click Save Image As. Now give it a name, but don't forget to add .png after the name. Now go to the new tab and click the pencil icon. Click Upload from Device and select your file. As you can see, it's working. Thanks for watching, and a special thanks to voicemaker.in for some awesome text-to-speech. Link is in the description, and as always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until the next video, bye bye.